Again.
Okay,
Hey, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. What can you say about today's news?
Well, I've been a part of being released and being traded and being cut. That seems to be one of the jobs that you just are ready for. I think managers are always hired to be fired. Dusty's been a friend of mine for a long time, and I hate it because he has had some success there, but obviously not the success that the Reds were looking for. Going to the playoffs is pretty impressive through the last 4 years, but not getting past the first round. And unfortunately, in our game and our business, you can't start cutting on players too much, although I think that's probably what needs to be done with this ball club, and it wouldn't surprise me if there were a lot of moves with the club. But I feel for Dusty. Dusty's got a personality, and he took a lot of criticism this year because he expects to go to the field, tell his players to conduct themselves like pros, and he shouldn't have to motivate them. Unfortunately, I think some of the guys that were there this year are unmotivatable. And I don't say that in a real negative way because there's just some personalities there that are kind of quiet and laid back. You need some emotion, and I think that's what the fans seem to be looking for. They want somebody that's going to go out and throw a base like Lou Piniella or rant and rave like an Earl Weaver to feel like that they've got some emotion. Well, that's not the makeup of Dusty. He's got emotion. He just doesn't show it that way, and so I feel bad for him, but it was pretty obvious that after what happened this year with the talent and everything that there was going to be a move, and unfortunately he's a guy that they got rid of.
All right. Thank you, Doug. I appreciate it very much.
You know I would do anything for you.
Appreciate it.